Hello everyone, welcome to our assignment podcast. Today we are going to talk about something interesting and personal, which is hobbies, interests, and talents. Many people think their things are the same, but actually they are different. In this podcast, we will share our experience and opinion about them. By the way, I'm Marcel, and I'm here with my friends Aoki, Adit, and Shiham. How are you guys today?
Okay, thank you, Marcel. Hi, Marcel. Hi, everyone. I'm doing good today. I'm really excited to talk about this topic because hobbies and interests are things that make life more enjoyable. Sometimes, when we are busy with college assessment or work, or hobbies can help us relax.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Adit. I am agree with Oki. Having hobbies can reduce stress and make us happy. I think everyone should have at last one hobbies in their life.
Hey guys, I'm also happy to be part of this discussion. Talking about hobbies, interests, and talents in interesting because every person is unique. Everyone, everyone has different activity that they enjoy and different talents that they are good at.
That's true. Before we start sharing our personal experience, maybe we should explain the difference between hobbies, interests, and talents. Aoki, what do you think is a hobby?
Uh, in my opinion, a hobby is an activity that someone does regularly for fun in their free time. It doesn't have to be something professional. For example, some people like playing games, reading books, cooking, or listening to music. They do it because it makes them happy.
That's a good explanation. So, hobbies are usually things we enjoy doing in our free time. Adit, how about interest? What do you think about interest?
Well, interest is something that attracts our attention, our curiously. It may not always be something we do every day, but we feel excited when we learn about it. For example, someone may be interested with technology, business, sport, arts. Interest can also influence our future career choice.
This makes sense. So, interests are more about what we are curious about or what we like to learn. Shiham, can you explain what talent is?
Sure, talent is natural ability or skill that someone has. Some people are born with certain talents like singing, drawing, playing musical instrument, or solving mathematical problems quickly. However, talent still need practice and hard work to develop.
Exactly. Talent without practice may not grow, but with practice, it can become something amazing. Now, let's talk about our personal hobby. Kak Aki, what is your hobby?
Okay, one of my favorite hobby is playing video game. I started playing game when I was a child. At first, it was just for fun, but later I realized that game can also improve some skills like problem solving, strategy, and teamwork, especially when playing multiplayer games.
Uh, that's interest. What kind of game do you usually play?
I usually play action or strategy games. Sometimes I play with my friend online. It's not just about the game itself, but also about communicating, and cooperating with teammates.
That's your online games can actually improve communication skill as well.
How about you, Adit? What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football, and I really enjoy sport because they keep my body is health and active. And I usually play football with my friend and in the afternoon. or during the weekends. It's a great way to release stress after studying.
So do you play in a team or just casually with friends?
Mostly just friend, but sometimes we join a small local competition. Even though we don't always win, the experience is still fun and exciting.
Aku ini.
Yeah,
Yang that
that
sound
sounds yeah.
okay. That sound fun. Sports are definitely a great hobby. Shiham, what about you?
My hobby is watching movies and sometimes analyzing them. I like movies because they tell story and visual and emotion emotional way. I enjoy different genres like action, drama, and science fiction.
Wow, that's interesting. Do you also have a favorite movie?
Yes, I have many favorite, but I especially like movie that have deep message about life. Sometimes movie can teach us important lesson about relationship, courage, and personal growth.
I did.
That's true. Movie can also inspire people.
Okay, now I'll share my hobbies. One of my hobby is listening music. Music helps me relax, especially after a long day. Sometimes I listen to music while studying or doing assignment. It helps me focus and stay motivated.
What kind of music do you like the most?
I like many type of music, but mostly pop and acoustic song. I like song that have meaningful lyric.
Music really has a strong effect on our mood. Sometimes a good song can make your day better.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about interest. Sometimes our interests can influence our hobbies or even our future careers. Adit, what are your interests?
I'm interested in technology, especially electronic engineering, and I like learning how to electronic device work and how technology can make life easier. That's one of the reasons why I choose study electrical engineering.
Wow, that's great. Technology is developing very fast these days.
Yes, and people who understand technology will have many opportunities in the future.
Yeah, what about your interest?
I'm interested in creative media like film production and digital content creator. I think storytelling through video or films is very powerful. It can entertain people but also deliver important message.
That's really cool interest.
Kak Oki, what are your interests?
Besides gaming, I'm also interested in graphic design. I like creating digital design, poster, or simple illustration. It started as curiosity, but now I enjoy learning more about it.
That's nice. Creative skills are very useful nowadays.
Yes, especially in digital era where visual content is everywhere.
Now let's move to the topic talent. Everyone has different talents, even if sometimes we don't realize it. Adit, what do you think your talent?
I think my talent is in sport, especially football, and I'm not professional player, but many of my friends say that I play quite well. I think talents appear when we doing something and practice it regularly.
Okay, that's a good point. Talent and practice go hand in hand. Kak Oki, what do you think your talent?
Maybe my talent is related to creativity, like design or problem solving in games. Sometimes I enjoy finding strategy or solution in games or design project.
Okay, Shiham, what about your talent?
I think my talent is storytelling. I like explaining ideas or stories in an interesting way, whether it is through talking, writing, or making video concept.
Wow, that's a great talent. Being able to communicate ideas clearly is very valuable. For me, I think my talent is being curious and always wanting to learn new things. I enjoy exploring knowledge and understanding how things work.
That's actually a very important talent because curiosity leads to learning and improvement.
Yes, and crucially often leads to innovation.
Before we end this podcast, maybe we can share one message for our listeners about hobbies, interests, and talents.
My message is don't be afraid to explore new hobbies. Sometimes we discover our passion by trying new things.
Yeah.
I'm agree. Also, remember that talent alone is not enough. Practice and dedication are very important.
And most important, enjoy the process. Hobbies should make you happy, not stress.
Okay, thank you for sharing your thoughts. I think hobbies, interests, and talents are important parts of our lives because they help us grow as individuals and make life more meaningful. Thank you, everyone, for listening to our podcast. See you and thank you.
Thank you, Matur Suwun. Rally.